UAV online.
In the shadows of the battlefield, a new kind of warfare is taking shape, one that is silent, deadly, and incredibly precise. The age of manned aircraft is fading as the skies are now patrolled by machines that think, act, and strike without hesitation. Today, we'll reveal the game-changing US drones that are not only transforming military strategy, but also redefining what it means to engage in combat. From the fearsome MQ-9 Reaper, capable of pinpoint strikes from miles above, to the all-seeing RQ-4 Global Hawk, providing a bird's-eye view of enemy movements. These drones are the future of warfare. Get ready to discover how they are reshaping the landscape of military power and why they are the ultimate game changers on the modern battlefield. Welcome to our channel, your go-to source for insights on the latest advancements in military technology. If you're eager to stay informed about the most significant innovations in defense, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep up with our updates. Today's topic is revolutionary. This US drone will change everything. Here's why. We'll be exploring the game-changing capabilities of the MQ-9 Reaper and the RQ-4 Global Hawk and how they are reshaping the future of military operations. 1. MQ-9 Reaper, the lethal predator. Let's start with the MQ-9 Reaper, a drone that has become synonymous with modern warfare. It's not just a flying camera, it's a formidable weapon equipped for both intelligence gathering and targeted strikes. Design and capabilities. The Reaper can carry an impressive payload of up to 3,800 pounds, which includes precision-guided bombs and missiles. This drone is designed for long-endurance missions, allowing it to stay in the air for over 14 hours at a time, loitering above critical areas while gathering vital intelligence. Stealth and maneuverability. One of its key advantages is its low radar signature, making it difficult for enemy defenses to detect. This stealth capability allows it to penetrate hostile airspace without drawing attention, providing an advantage that traditional aircraft often lack. Its agility allows it to make sharp maneuvers and maintain stability while carrying out strikes, further enhancing its operational effectiveness. Precision strikes. The Reaper is not just about firepower, it excels at precision. Equipped with laser-guided ammunitions, it can engage high-value targets with remarkable accuracy, reducing collateral damage. For instance, during missions in combat zones, the Reaper has been credited with successfully neutralizing terrorist threats while ensuring the safety of civilians nearby. 2. RQ-4 Global Hawk, the eye in the sky. Next, we have the RQ-4 Global Hawk, a high-altitude, long-endurance surveillance drone that takes intelligence gathering to a whole new level. Surveillance capabilities. Unlike the Reaper, the Global Hawk is not designed for offensive strikes. Instead, it gathers vast amounts of intelligence, covering large areas while remaining at altitudes where enemy ground forces cannot reach it. With its ability to fly at altitudes of over 60,000 feet, it can provide real-time data over hundreds of miles of territory, making it invaluable for strategic planning. Advanced sensors. The Global Hawk is equipped with cutting-edge sensors, including synthetic aperture radar and high-resolution cameras. This allows it to capture detailed images and video feeds, which can be analyzed to assess enemy movements, infrastructure, and potential threats. For example, it has been instrumental in tracking troop movements in hostile territories, providing commanders with the data needed to make informed decisions. Long-endurance missions. One of the most remarkable features of the Global Hawk is its endurance. It can stay aloft for more than 30 hours, allowing it to conduct prolonged surveillance without the need for refueling. This capability is critical in situations where maintaining eyes on the battlefield is essential for operational success. The synergy of drones in modern warfare. What makes these two drones truly transformative is how they complement each other on the battlefield. While the MQ-9 Reaper engages targets with precision, the RQ-4 Global Hawk provides the necessary intelligence to identify those targets. Coordinated operations. The integration of these drones into military operations means that commanders can execute complex missions with a higher degree of success. For instance, a mission might begin with the Global Hawk gathering intel on enemy positions, which is then relayed in real time to Reaper drones ready to strike. Reduced risk to personnel. The use of drones minimizes the risk to human lives in combat situations. Instead of sending manned aircraft into potentially hostile environments, military operations can rely on these unmanned systems, allowing for safer, more effective missions. But here's an unexpected twist. The evolution of drone technology doesn't stop with the Reaper and Global Hawk. Enter the MQ-25 Stingray, the US Navy's new refueling drone that will extend the operational range of both manned and unmanned aircraft. With the Stingray, aircraft carriers can launch strikes farther than ever before, giving them a strategic advantage over adversaries. This integration of drones into various aspects of military operations is a testament to how technology is evolving the landscape of warfare. Now that you know how the MQ-9 Reaper and RQ-4 Global Hawk are changing the landscape of modern combat, let's shift gears and look ahead to what's next. The world of military technology is rapidly evolving, and there are countless advancements on the horizon that are just as exciting. From innovative weapon systems to groundbreaking vehicles, we'll be diving into the future of defense. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we explore what's shaping the next chapter in military history. In our previous video, we discussed another revolutionary machine. This German tank will change everything. Here is why. Make sure to check it out for insights into the latest tank technology and its impact on the battlefield. If you found today's video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in military tech. What do you think about the role of drones in future conflicts? Share your thoughts in the comments below.